So here comes the brand new OnePlus 6. Let's just open the plastic cover from the box. I don't have any knife or blade, anything. I guess I'm pretty sure my fingers are good enough for that stuff. So I don't see any kind of seal over here. So the plastic was the seal itself. Here you can see the OnePlus 6 branding, and here their trademark tagline, the speed you need. And here some other information. You can just pause the video and watch what has been written over here. So let me just quickly open the box. The packaging seems to be quite premium. The package quality is good. Wow, this looks so damn sexy. So I will just take the device out first. It looks so cool. The color is like rose gold. I will just remove this plastic from here. Here are some certification sticker, the fingerprint over here, dual cameras, and below there the flashlight, OnePlus branding over here. And here it is written designed by OnePlus. In the front you can see the very small earpiece, and beside that the front camera. It's the feel is like a kind of ceramic. It's having white and gold tint, both mixed, but the color looks definitely quite premium, quite cool as well. Here I can see the 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C port, microphone over here, the loudspeaker grill here, and here is the noise cancelling secondary microphone. The volume rockers are over here. Here is the SIM tray slot, and there is the silent mode and normal mode switch, and the power button over here. So for now I will just keep the device aside. Till then I will see whatever is there in the box. The packaging is quite nice, I must have to say. It feels really good. Okay, let's keep it aside for now. So here is the Type-C cable. And here comes the charger. The charger is of 5 volt 4 ampere, means 20 watt and only one slot. So OnePlus calls it a dash charger. It's quite big, quite heavy other than other chargers. And let me just quickly open this box as well. So it's a nice addition, like they have, OnePlus has given an back cover with the phone. Here are some documentations, some safety informations. I'm not gonna read all those things. And here is the SIM ejector tool. So let me just put the phone on the cover and let's see how does it look. Yeah, it definitely looks great. It definitely looks great. You can see the back side is white, the front is black, and on the side here is a rose gold trim, and it gives a premium look to the phone. And obviously it's a premium flagship within your budget. So let's just fire it up. So this is you have to set up your phone. Let's start it. I'm skipping the monitor. I'm skipping the copy graph and app features. I'm just setting up exit as new. For now, we also skip the Wi-Fi. Let me just quickly check the connectivity is. And today is October 12, and right now it's 7:30 in the evening. I will type my friend's name, Vallabh Karan. Peace and love. I will just see for now. And see, your device is ready and you can use it.
1 hour later.
तुम लोग मेरा घर जाने का रास्ता तो देख रहे हो, लेकिन कभी मुझे पिटने के लिए घर मत आ जाना। क्या तुम्हें ये दिखाना चाहिए या नहीं? चलो यार देख लो, क्या बात है। This is called Elements Mall, you can see. So basically where I stay is a kind of outskirt of Bangalore, but it's not really outside of Bangalore. मान्यता टेक पार्क है इधर, तो उसके लिए ये एरिया अभी काफ़ी डेवलप्ड हो गया है। मैं जब 3 साल पहले इधर आया था तो इतना डेवलप नहीं था। आज जो हो गया है ये जगह अच्छा है, डेवलप होना अच्छा ही बात है। हर कोई चाहता है कि खुद को डेवलप करने के लिए, तो हर एक सिटी भी चाहेगा खुद को डेवलप करने के लिए। ये तो ज़िंदगी का साइकिल है। I like KTMs. चलो मैं आ गया रूम के पास। अरे कोई बाइक नहीं है, सब गया किधर? अच्छा, एक ऑफिस गया है, एक पार्टी करने। वैसे ये लोकेशन तो गूगल मैप्स पे आता है। Now see, this lift is in first floor. It's coming to -1 in one shot. Great. No, see, now it's hung. It's completely hung. Whenever the lift is in first floor, if I press the up button to go third floor, every time it will hang to come to -1. Yeah. Now it has been reset and it will work. Just see. How shit is that lift? Anyway, it's doing its purpose. I will not blame it. There is a mosquito. Okay guys, so that's all about the day. I hope you will like this video. If you have liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not my subscriber yet, the subscribe button is down below, so don't forget to subscribe me as well. Till then, I will meet you on next video. Believe in you. यार क्या करता है? दिखता नहीं है क्या? पीछे गाड़ी आ रहा है, बहन चोद।